Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing some of the most important Scrum certifications you can take as a beginner. Scrum being one of the most popular agile methodologies that many companies use to manage their projects, it is important that you know what certifications you can take in order to get started or get into the industry or even be competitive in the market. So I've come out with a list of some of the certifications that you can take that will help you to get started. The first certification you can take as a beginner is a Certified Scrum Master. The CSM is the most popular Scrum certification and it is a great starting point for beginners. It is offered by the Scrum Alliance and requires completing a 2-day training course and passing an online exam. The CSM certification provides an understanding of the Scrum principles and practices and prepares you to work as a Scrum Master. The second one we do have is a Professional Scrum Master. The PSM certification is offered by Scrum.org and it is an alternative to the CSM certification. It requires passing an online exam and the certification is divided into 3 levels. We have the PSM1, we have the PSM2 and we have the PSM3. The PSM certification is most challenging than the CSM certification and requires a deeper understanding of the Scrum principles and practices. We do also have the Certified Scrum Product Owner. The CSPO certification is also offered by Scrum Alliance and it is designed for individuals who are responsible for managing the product backlog. It requires completing a 2-day training course and passing the online exam. The CSPO certification provides an understanding of the product management in Scrum and prepares you to work as a product owner. We also have the Professional Scrum Product Owner. The PSPO certification is offered by Scrum.org and it is an alternative to the CSPO certification. It requires passing an online exam and the certification is divided into 3 levels. We have the PSPO1, the PSPO2 and the PSPO3. The PSPO certification is more challenging than the CSPO certification and requires a deeper understanding of product management in Scrum. Then the last one we'll be discussing is the Certified Scrum Developer. The CSD certification is offered by the Scrum Alliance and it is designed for developers who work in a Scrum environment. It requires completing a 2-day training course and passing an online exam. The CSD certification provides an understanding of Scrum principles and practices for developers and prepares you to work as a Scrum developer. So these are some of the certifications that you can take as a beginner. Depending on your career goals and interests, you can then choose which one you will take and get your Scrum journey started. Thank you for watching and see you on another video.